Hi, it's Brett here again, and we're doing another recipe today for the Herbal Detox and the Herbal Slim programs. And today what we're doing is called a roast vegetable salad. And that's because we're going to roast a few vegetables and blend them all together. So we've got some sweet potato or kumara, a couple of large ones, 3 large parsnips, 3 large carrots, and a couple of large capsicums as well. Also a red onion. So what we're going to do with these is chop them up, roast them, and blend them all together. And then we're going to add some mushrooms. We've got a few button mushrooms here, quite large ones too, and a few tomatoes. And we're also going to have with that some pea shoots, which are really nice with this. And if you're doing a 1 month program, like a 1 month detox or a herbal slim, then you can add a bit of feta at the end as well. But if you're just doing a 2-week cleanse or a 5 or 7 day body churn smoothie cleanse, then I would leave that and just have the vegetables. So let's get into it.